Hello and welcome to Bemis Crafty Corner. I am Bima, better known as Els, and we are going to, there we go, be pulling our Monday Mixed Media Mini Morsels. These are 5 mixed media prompts that you can do whatever you want with. You can get a copy of this link by going to the bottom of the description. There is a Google Drive link there that will take you directly to this, so you can get a copy of it for yourself if you would like, or just take a look at it. There's also a link in there to my Facebook group, and I would love to have you post your item. Just make sure that you notate the week, post your item in the group, and that way we can all see what you came up with. I'm going to pull 5 prompts, and then when I'm done, I'll explain them in a little bit of detail. Number 49, add words. I feel like we did this last week. Number 32, add ink. This is getting interesting. Next up, we have number 7, tissue or napkin. Number 40, washi tape. I don't know how I'd ever be able to do that one. And the last one this week is number 3, and that is a wild card. All right, I'm going to go ahead and explain all of these, and we'll take a look at them a little bit more in depth. Add words. So adding words, you can write them on there. You can use newspaper, books. You can use letters. You can use printed digitals that have words on them. However you want to add words to this, you add words. Add ink. There's no color preference here, so just use whatever kind of ink you have. Use drip ink, stamped ink, spray ink, however you want to do it. Maybe you want to color the whole page in alcohol markers, however you want to do it. Tissue or napkin. Basically, that's decoupaging a tissue or a napkin on here. Or, maybe you'll do that thing, where you take the pencil and you make the little flowers. I don't know. But you figure out how you want to use tissue or napkin on this. Washi tape, you can do anything you want with washi tape. You can use it to line things. You can use it as a border. You can use it to accent things. Maybe it's your primary focal point. Whatever it is you want to do, just go ahead and use whatever washi tape you have. And the wild card, which you may or may not choose to do. That's the wild card. You don't have to do anything if you don't want to. You can add something else if you want to. You can combine these in any way. Maybe you want to use tissue paper that has words on it. I don't know. Maybe you want to use washi tape that has words on it. It is entirely up to you. Do whatever you want to do. Until I see you again. Remember, all the links are in the description box below, including a link to my Google Drive where you can pick up the mixed media list. Until next time, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.